Best of the best, Asuelo says. Check it out, folks. It's a 2013. It's a Ford F-150 FX4. It's a crew cab. Yes, it's got the 20s 5.5 box. It does have the EcoBoost 3.5 twin turbo in it. She is loaded up with every single option they put in it. Sport appearance package, luxury package. She's dynamite. She's 2 owners, folks, no accidents, and she is clean, loaded up, heated and cooled seats, sunroof, dialed in. I drove her home the other day, put about 100 miles on her. She runs straight down the road at any speed and at any climate. She's dialed in, ready to go, and the guaranteed credit approval is in full effect on this vehicle with a $995 starting down payment. Let me repeat, $995 starting down.